Hello everyone, welcome to Learn and Repeat YouTube channel. Today we will know 30 daily use sentences. अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आए तो लाइक, सब्सक्राइब और कमेंट करना मत भूलिए. लेट्स स्टार्ट. मैं पढ़ रहा हूँ. आई हैव बीन स्टडिंग. आई हैव बीन स्टडिंग. वो खेल रहा है. ही हैज़ बीन प्लेइंग. ही हैज़ बीन प्लेइंग. वो गा रही है. She has been singing. She has been singing. हम काम कर रहे हैं. We have been working. We have been working. बच्चे खेल रहे हैं. The children have been playing. The children have been playing. मैं लिख रहा हूँ. I have been writing. I have been writing. वो हंस रहा है. He has been laughing. He has been laughing. मैं इंतज़ार कर रहा हूँ. I have been waiting. I have been waiting. वो सो रही है. She has been sleeping. She has been sleeping. हम बात कर रहे हैं. We have been talking. We have been talking. वो पढ़ रहा है. He has been पढ़ रहा है. He has been teaching. He has been teaching. मैं दौड़ रहा हूँ. I have been running. I have been running. वो नाच रही है. She has been dancing. She has been dancing. हम सीख रहे हैं. We have been learning. We have been learning. वो काम कर रहा है. He has been working. He has been working. मैं देख रहा हूँ. I have been watching. I have been watching. वो सोच रहा है. He has been thinking. He has been thinking. हम खेल रहे हैं. We have been playing. We have been playing. वो खाना बना रही है. She has been cooking. She has been cooking. मैं पढ़ रहा हूँ. I have been teaching. I have been teaching. मैं सफाई कर रहा हूँ. I have been cleaning. I have been cleaning. वो रो रही है. He has been crying. He has been crying. वो लिख रही है. She has been writing. She has been writing. हम गा रहे हैं. We have been singing. We have been singing. मैं खाना बना रहा हूँ. I have been cooking. I have been cooking. वो पढ़ रही है. She has been studying. She has been studying. बच्चे शोर कर रहा है. The children have been making noise. The children have been making noise. मैं सीख रहा हूँ. I have been learning. I have been learning. वो टीवी देख रहा है. He has been watching TV. He has been watching TV. हम इंतज़ार कर रहे हैं. We have been waiting. We have been waiting. Thank you everyone. For more videos, please like and subscribe my channel. ऐसे ही और वीडियो पाने के लिए मेरे चैनल को लाइक और सब्सक्राइब और कमेंट करना मत भूलिए. Thank you again.